She's now the only South Indian actress with a 200 crore film.
What does the success of the film mean to both of you personally? What does it enable you to do further?
That's been an unexpected outcome of this. And so many women have written to me saying, we've been wanting to make commercial films, we didn't know we could do it. The fact that a woman-led film has made these numbers is encouraging them to pitch their stories, and they have an example to lead with now, and they know that investors will probably give them time of day. I'm just so excited that she's now the only South Indian actress with a 200 crore film. So
I mean, I can't take this away from us, guys.
no, but it's important that there is an example like that, because typically I think people expect films which are led by women to belong to a certain category, like independent cinema or films that are about social issues. And the fact that this is an entertainer and it has got bums on the seats, as people say, it matters. I think it will encourage filmmakers, regardless of gender, to tell stories that really matter to them.
I mean, I think it's not just me. I think anyone that's put in the kind of work and passion that we've put in for the last how many ever months into this film, when that's being appreciated, there is a level of happiness that we would feel. It is definitely bigger than what I ever dreamed or imagined it to be. You can probably say it was a dream I never realized I had, but it's really nice when it's happening. Like we said, if you look at it from the female perspective, if this even so much as slightly opens the door to these conversations and to have people more people back such stories, it's a win. It's a huge
100%.
win. It's our win. It's not my win. It's our win.